How to do motion tracking on CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can do motion tracking on CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut and make sure to import the video or the media where you want to perform the motion tracking. After that, drag the video onto the timeline. So once you have the video on the timeline, now you have to add text in order to track the motion. So navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side at the top, and here you have to click on text. Then drag this default text onto the timeline and make sure to increase its length so that it matches with your video. Now on the default text, you have to type in the text that you would like to track for. So in my video, I would like to track for this old lady right here. Now to edit this default text, head over to the section. There is a text box. You can edit the text from here. So I will just try to type in grandmother. Press enter in your keyboard, and here you can resize this text as well. If you want to change color, click on this drop down, and here you can change the color. After that, you can drag this text right here so that I can track the motion of this grandmother right here. Now, in order to do the tracking, head over to this menu bar. At the top right corner, there is an option for tracking. Click on tracking, and here click on motion tracking. Here you can set the direction for both and make sure both of these toggle is turned on. Now in this video screen, there is a rectangle box on the color yellow. So you have to adjust this box to the size of the object that you want to track. And here you have to place it for the object which you want to track for. Since I want to track for this old lady right here, so I'll just place this rectangle box within her boundary. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is click on start button right here. So click on start and wait for a while until this process is complete. So once the tracking process is complete, if you play your video from the beginning, you will see this object is being tracked by this text right here. So that's how you can do motion tracking on CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.